Hey, it's Larry Gonzalez with my new grandson, Worth Joseph. He's about 4 days old now, and he's quiet at this moment, so I'm not going to talk too loud, and I'm not going to talk too long. But we are going to talk about what's happening this week with mortgage rates and what's going to impact really the movement of mortgage rates up and down. We've been very stagnant over the last couple weeks. Last week, there was a lot of good news about this memorandum of understanding between Iran and the US. And well, as we start this week, presidents at Camp David, maximum security, and now we're wondering, is this MOU even gonna make it a full week? There's a lot of talk about the US bombing Iran and back and forth. That's gonna really keep the price of oil up. Although it's now under 80, but as we go into this week, it'll probably go up a little bit. What do you think there, Mr. Worth? Yeah, he thinks that oil prices are gonna go up and mortgage rates will stay pretty much where they're at. And we do have some economic reports coming out this week. Nothing Monday, which is good. Recover from Father's Day. And what a great US Open that was for Wyndham Clark, right? Tuesday, we got the ADP preliminary estimate, 2-year Treasury auction. Wednesday, we have the new home sales report, 5-year Treasury auction. Thursday is the big day of the week. Thursday, we have PCE. PCE is the personal consumption expenditure. That is the Fed's favored measure of inflation. That'll come out. We'll also get initial and continuing jobless claims. And then Friday, we have the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index. So those are the big thing really this week, obviously, is Iran-US and how that evolves, but also that big PCE report. Will inflation continue to show an upward rise? As we look at rates, conventional, man, we're still 6.58 to 6.81 conventional, VA right around 6.17, so just below 6.2%. So not bad, but not great either. And you know what? You don't control any of that. What you do control is your attitude, and my attitude's pretty good right now because I got my little man in my hands. You guys have a great week. We'll talk to you later. Aloha.